welcome back everybody, and happy winter to you. What a winter, huh? So since we got back from Alaska, what a mess. I think most of our time has spent, pretty much most of our time, fixing things. And then you may hear a gasp in the background, but we had a small fire. Lisa thought melting butter on top of the propane stove would be a good idea until she forgot about it. I know. So we had that, but it was a good Thanksgiving. This is ridiculous. So, whoever did this and put this in did not do this right. You missed out on the excitement. What's making noise now? So the pellet stove hasn't been working very good. Last night it was like just barely flaming, and when it goes to start, the smoke just stays in. But when I took this out, it just started dumping the creosote everywhere. Like it seemed like there was going to be about 80 tons endless dumping down. So at least I put a face mask on, right? So that's atrocious. So we're going to clean that. We need to take all the rest of the creosote out of here, clean up all this. We're going to get a stovepipe cleaner to go inside this to clean this, to clean this. Everything needs to be cleaned up.
It's coming out. Holy smoke. It's throwing chunks.
Anything else you guys is going to be fine dust. We've officially made the biggest mess we have ever made. So freaking disaster. Just, yeah, be careful. I just finished cleaning this, and I figured out what the problem is. I'll show you. They put a hamster wheel in here, and the hamster's gone. That's why it's not working. Oops, the hamster's gone. And they didn't say if it was a gerbil or a hamster. I've read through the instructions like 4 times, and it doesn't mention a gerbil, a hamster, nothing. So I'm pretty disappointed, really. Creosote makes it a huge mess. Well, that's obvious, but I think we'll be cleaning creosote off from everything for months. She's working, so we're back in heat. We're back in heat. We'll take that the wrong way. Ooh, good sign. The light bulb burnt right, it got bent, it got hot, and the plastic got soft. I don't know what happened. Anyway, the light bulbs ended up sticking through here, burning, and then you can see this is all brown. So, and these are night light. That helps. The same lights that are on the back of the camper, and I really like them because they're nice and bright. Attention. the boys came for Thanksgiving, and we had the culvert that goes into the lake with a big divot. We just needed to prove over the summer that we could keep water in the lake before we got too far, which we did. So we were super excited about that. So since the boys were here, we thought we would use that time and their help in getting that culvert covered up. And I didn't record all of it because family time is a lot more important than just getting everything recorded. So I will show you that, hopefully right here, the end product. So we got that all covered up. We still need probably a couple dump trucks full of dirt or topfill to fill in 2 low points on each side. And so what we did is we needed a bunch of dirt, so we stole a bunch of dirt from that back side of the lake. So that's why we're digging the dirt over there. But Lisa had wisely pointed out we don't want to get too crazy because we put that sealer in there, and if we break that sealer, it's just going to leak again. So, good point. So I'm not sure exactly what we'll do, but we got the culvert covered up, and maybe we just deal with having puddles there in the spring. I don't know. But this winter has been super weird, so it is still pretty warm. We just got some snow last night, but not what I think is normal for this area. But in any case, that's what we're doing there. What else did I not cover? Hang on a second while I review. Come on, please.
Why do I feel so exhausted?
boots, and then it's time to make that morning drive. Work all day till I'm totally beat. Get back home before I want to sleep. Alarm goes off in the morning and the cycle's complete. Work, sleep, repeat. Yeah, work, sleep,
So here's the deal. Where's it at? There's my shadow. Star of Bethlehem. We're going to try and put it up the tree today. But we got lucky and it's a super windy day. And we need to go up. What is that? 60 feet? 50? 650 feet.
Oh.
Probably 20, I don't know. We've determined that you can see that tree from the secondary gravel road up there. So, not from the freeway. So we're going to put that up. We got the Christmas parade coming up. The meeting spot is on the road right up there. Thought it'd be kind of cool to have this huge, it's a 9-foot Star of Bethlehem. I think it's pretty cool. Turned out good up on the tree. So we're going to document it in case I fall off the ladder. At least I'll have some to watch later. Smaller shoes or a fatter ladder. So, that is what we have been up to this winter. We hope you had a wonderful Thanksgiving, a very Merry Christmas, and have an awesome New Year. And we will see you in what's next year, Lisa? 2025, right?
2025?
I think we say this, everybody says this every year. Next year is going to be astounding. We'll see.